giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby.
Now we are on delete page, but don't worry, your account won't be deleted. Here you can read, when you type your username and password and then press continue, your account will be deactivated for 30 days. Means Snapchat deactivate our account for 30 days, so we can keep our deactivated account for maximum 30 days. If we want to reactivate our account, then we must log in back before 30 days of deletion. Now we need to type our password to continue. Now our Snapchat account has been deactivated for 30 days, and now we have 30 days to reactivate our account, so make sure we must log in back before 30 days to reactivate our account. Thank you for watching. If you think this video is helpful, then please leave a like and comment below.